So if you come to YouTube and search for meditation music, and then we'll filter with view count. If you search for meditation music, you find that the highest has 392 million views, 192 million views, 130 million views, 123 million views, and these people are making incredible amount of money. If, for example, we can use these, and you can see this and this, both of the first two videos are from one channel. So if we can use, for example, this channel, Soothing Relaxing, as you can see, they have 10.3 million subscribers, and they have over a billion views. Actually, they have 3 billion views. And if you come to Social Blade and search for their earnings, you can see they are making an estimate of between $10,000 and $160,800 in a month, and making up to $1.9 million dollars in an year. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you create these videos using stock videos that you don't have to create or record yourself. So the first thing you need is the illustrations or the video. For the video, we'll get them from Pexel. So come to Pexel, and you can see here I'll search for forests. Then these are the videos that we have. We can click on download them. These are videos that do not have copyright issues, so you can download as many as you want. Download as many as you think will be appealing to you. So I'll download the ones that can be enough for 10 minutes. I'll download what can be enough for 10 minutes. You also can search for flowers. So that our videos will be blending. So download as many as you can. And I'll download these ones. Now, once you have them, the next thing you'll need is audio. For the audio, you can use Epidemic Sounds, or you can also use YouTube Audio Library. For me, I'll use YouTube Audio Library. You just click on the icon of your YouTube channel, then click on Studio. Search for Audio Library here on the left. Now we are here. We'll search for ambient music. Genre, we use ambient. Require no attribution. Then mood. For this, the best that you use for this will be calm or even sad. Actually, sad, I'm getting them to be a bit better. So once with that, then we can now listen to the song. Wow, listen to that. Forest Lullaby. Then click on download. Download as many as you think will be appropriate for your video. Actually, classic ones are quite good. So we already have the video, we have the audio. The next thing is to edit video. You can use any editor. Import media. So as I'll be loading, add like that until you have at least 10 minutes. Let's see once they will be loading. So here I have 10 minutes of a video. I've added the video and the audio. And then once you have 10 minutes, you copy it twice, as in you, until you have the 3 hour. So now you have 40 minutes. You do the same until you have 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, or whichever the video you'd like. Then you click on export. Make sure you export in the highest quality, then hit the HD here at the highest quality. Now once you have the video, the last thing is to upload them in your YouTube channel. But there are 3 strategies that you'd like you use before you upload your videos, and here I'll show you what I mean. Now look at this channel, Soothing Relaxing. The first thing I will need you to do is be consistent in your uploading. But as you be consistent, there are 3 things you need. Number 1 is a very good, captivating thumbnail. Like, look at these videos. By just having a look at them, you get attracted, and look at even the length of the videos. Look at those thumbnails. So you use that. If you don't know how to create that, watch in my other videos. I have a video, check it in the description below, that explains how you can do that even with artificial intelligence. Number 2 is to do live videos. Live videos keep your viewers or hooked to the channel. For example, you can see this. There are 2 live videos. How many people are watching? 600, 6, 5, or 8. The other channels that you come to and you discover they have more than even 5 that they are live. Like, for example, if you look at this channel, Enjoy Life, live videos. Let's see how many live. You can see 1, 2, 3. Let's see, 1, 4. This one, there are 4 live videos. Actually, there is an account I came across that had almost 27 actually, 27 live videos. That's the second strategy. The last one is to do premium. The reason why I'm saying premium, maybe you don't have the capability to do live videos, you do premium. Like you can see this one, premium. Actually, these videos are premium every evening, every evening. So make sure you just apply those 3 skills, and you see your video skyrocket. Otherwise, guys, if you loved this video, just like it, and comment, subscribe, and don't shy off to share if you found any value in it.